What's up, bag babes? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle. Today we'll be doing a video on reorganizing my lower cabinet in the bathroom. If you're new here, welcome to our amazing community. I'm Rochelle. I'm a 31 leader, and we're going to walk through 4 simple steps on how you can reorganize anything in your home. So the first step is to organize in zones. In this case, we're choosing a small part of my bathroom, which is the lower cabinet right underneath one of the sinks. Next is to sort and to categorize. So in this case, most of the common products underneath my sink are cleaning items and or hygiene, and usually some backstock in terms of like the larger portions like the Listerine. One thing to note when you are sorting and categorizing is it's kind of like a trial and error. So in this case, I knew I was going to use a large wire bin for the cleaning products because those tend to be heavier, and I wanted a more sturdier structured storage area. And then I noticed when I was separating the hygiene stuff, I was using too big of a clear bin, and so I had to downsize. So again, when you're doing this step, it's kind of a test and trial, and the whole point is to make sure that each items are Step 3, sorted by function. So as I mentioned, I put all the cleaning products in one area. Now I am trying to determine if I should do it by my husband's stuff or my stuff, or should I separate by liquid stuff or by bars. In this case, we had a ton of backstock with bars, and I decided to use one of the larger clear bins to store all our bars in. And then moving all the clear stuff to the smaller bin on the other side. It is so clear when you remove all the baggage or like the excess that the stuff are packed in, giving you a clear idea on what inventory you had. I truly did not realize how much lotion I had, and I truly did not realize how much bars I had. Again, with this step, it's kind of a trial and error. You had to move things around to what works for you and what works for your house. And then the final step is labeling. Again, labeling helps save you time and also saves you money. In this case, I decided at the very last minute that I'm actually going to separate my husband's stuff from my stuff. Initially, I just put I combined all our soaps in one area, and I combined all our liquid stuff in the other smaller storage. But I felt it was easier for myself and for my husband to clearly identify whose is who. So I gave him the larger bin, and I kept all my stuff on the smaller bin. And I also used a little stacking plastic cube, which I love. Super pleased how everything turned out, and this is the final results. Now, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a video, and check out this playlist for all your organizational needs. Take care, y'all. See you in the next video. Bye!